Welcome to our Teacher Assignments Overview, our new tool which aims to assist teachers in ensuring the integrity of the assignment or homework given to their students. In this overview, we'll be covering what Teacher Assignments is, as well as how it can be used. Assignments creates a monitored environment in which students can complete their tasks and teachers can analyze how the student completed their work to ensure its authenticity. Teacher Assignments works by first creating a Google Doc that will serve as a template for the students. The students can then finish their assignment within that Google Doc and submit it. Student activity is monitored and analyzed on the Google Doc, and a report will be generated for the teacher. The reports will showcase many metrics such as how long the student took to complete the work and in what manner they completed the work, as well as metrics to detect AI-generated text segments. Teacher assignments can be accessed through the Teacher Assist tool, with the assignment section being found on the left side. In this area, a teacher can view active and archived assignments. In the Active section, you can view any current assignments, as well as create a new assignment. As you can see, we have a few assignments listed here. You will be able to view the details about the active assignments you have created, such as their name, description, the number of assigned students, the due date and deployment date, and when it was created. The checkmark icon will display if the assignment was successfully deployed. The eye icon will display the details of the assignment as well as the reports generated for it. The drop-down menu will allow you to copy, archive, or delete the assignment. Let's take a look at creating an assignment. We'll first have to provide a name for the new assignment. For example, I'll use History Essay and click Next. Now you can provide a description for the assignment. This description can inform the students about the topic of the assignment or provide details they may need to know. You can also set a due date in this section. Also make sure to apply any changes. In the settings area, you can provide a template URL for a Google Doc. In that Google Doc, you can list the requirements as well as any other information the student may need. If you do not provide a template URL, a blank Google Doc will be created and sent to the students. Students will work within this Google Doc and submit it when finished. Teacher assignments will then analyze the work done within this document and generate a report for the teacher. You can also prevent the students from being able to copy and paste within the doc. In the Students section, you can add the students that will receive this assignment. And the Reports section will show any reports that have been generated so far. When ready, you can click Deploy to push this assignment out to your students. When deployed, students will receive an email about their assignment. They can also submit their assignment from this email. Let's take a look at one of the active assignments we have already deployed and view their reports by clicking on the eye icon to view more details and selecting Reports on the left. Depending on the number of students and when they have submitted their assignments, reports may take some time to generate. You can see if a report is ready in this area, and by clicking the eye icon, you can view that report. You can also open the document the student submitted by clicking on the File icon. We'll view this report. Here we can view metrics, such as when the work was started and when the student submitted their work, as well as the time they spent on the document. The event stats shows the amount of times the student cut, copied, and pasted in the document, as well as the number of times the student pressed a space, backspace, or enter key. Teachers can also view the number of typed characters versus the number of characters in the doc. Below we have two Active ID confidence scales using different methods. Each scale includes metrics on how confident Active ID is that the student that completed the assignment was not another person. Active ID uses AI to build a digital fingerprint for each student. This metric can be useful in determining if a student had someone else type for them during an assignment. Please note, these metrics are simply another aid to help increase confidence and should not be considered in isolation. One should also verify if the person typing has recently had a hand or arm injury, which may affect the results. However, if two recently typed documents are compared and one shows strong confidence and the other does not, it would be right to be concerned about the veracity of the author. And finally, we have the GPT Real/AI Generated Likelihood Score for text segments. This area will show the likelihood of certain text segments being AI generated or not. For example, a student may write a genuine essay, but include an AI generated paragraph. This section will likely highlight that paragraph and report it here. This metric can help give an indication on the likelihood that something was AI generated. It should not be considered as 100% proof and should be treated as an additional red flag when investigating a student's work. Using all of the metrics within this report, a teacher can make an educated decision on the integrity of the assignment that the student submitted. That covers this teacher assignments overview. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.